Hey chef, can you make me something with 1,000 rupees?
Dude, that's not even $4.
You can do it.
Chale. Oh, garlic, ginger, onion, celery, lemon, pomegranate, orange, chili. Half kg, 7. Quarter kg is in our budget. I don't need the sweet melon. For 400, I don't need it. It's too much.
Hold on.
I have budget, yeah.
140, 144 all vegetables.
It's Pakistan, bro. We got a bargain. Total cost, 760 rupees. Gonna be making a desi-inspired ceviche. First thing, blending some guava, getting the seeds out. Gonna juice some lemon. Little cute ones out here. Yo, it's super sweet. From the outside, you can tell how sweet it is, but it's like a honeydew. So we need half the onion for the tiger milk, and we need half of it to garnish. The half that we garnish with, I'll soak it in water to take out some of the pungency. Garlic going into our tiger milk. Next up, some ginger for the tiger's milk to add to our liquid. More citrus. Oranges from Sargodha. Oh yeah. Celery for tiger's milk as well. Leaves in ice water for garnish. Pomegranate for garnish. I really don't like beating on this thing with the back of a spoon. You bruise a lot of the seeds along the skin. Yo, local chili's gotta bring that heat. Time to clean our prawns. Cut on top. Take out the poop.
So chef, what's the plan with the tails?
Oh man, no waste. We're gonna fry them up. Little cutters, snacks. Time to cut the shrimp into nice pieces for our ceviche.
What's up with the board switch?
Blue is for seafood, bro. Gonna get hard trolled if I don't switch. Nice sizes that'll cook well in that acid. It's not fully cooked, it's half cooked. You'll notice that the color goes from this, what it looks like now, it goes a little bit whitish, opaque. So it's being acidulated by the seafood.
Wait, chef, we didn't buy this. How much is it going to cost us?
10 cents. All right, to make this tiger milk, we have the chili, the celery, the onion, the ginger, and the garlic. Next, add all our citrus. Next, a couple spoons of our fresh guava juice. So when we're making leche de tigre, we want to add a little bit of the fish or the seafood that we're using. Salt, black pepper, chili pepper. Now we blend. All right, it's time to taste. Essentially, we're looking for an extremely flavorful, sour, refreshing liquid. Oh my God, leche de chita. At the last minute, some dhania.
That's refreshing. Holy.
Let's go. Aloo papad, 5 cents. Cool, eh? Salt, red chili powder. All right, let's season up our shrimp tails and the heads. No waste, right? Little black pepper, little chili flake, little onion, garlic, salt, little cornstarch, little flour. Little chaat masala, little chili powder, little salt. Masala tails, bro.
Wow.
I love my cooks, yo. I love them.
Oh, who did that?
Tabile.
Who labeled it?
So let's start building our ceviche. That's not going in there.
How's that green stuff?
Shirta. This ice cube's so important, so we keep it really cold. Next, we'll pour in some of our liquid. We'll start that gentle cooking process. Add in some of that beautiful sweet melon that we had. Some pomegranate. We're gonna also garnish with this as well. Yo, when I was training in Peru making this, you know what the key ingredient was? MSG.
Oh, yo.
It's starting to gently cook. It's starting to go a little bit whiter, but it will nowhere near cook through.
Oh wait, so we're making 2 portions.
Yo, we're stretching this couple bucks.
So we got 2 portions for 1,000 rupees.
Not only, bro, there's even more. Hang tight. We're using local sweet melon, all local ingredients, local chili, local pomegranate. Absolute fire here, bro. The onions that we rinse, we can garnish this with our, there we go, spiced aloo papad. There's the 2 portions, but also we have our crunchy bits as well. Check this out, give this a taste. All right, get a piece of prawn, piece of melon, pomegranate, get a lot of that liquid.
Super refreshing.
On a hot day like it is here in Lahore, Pakistan, this is what I want to eat all day.
And we got the snacks. What, you don't like fish heads? Try it.
Come on, Tabil, you're my friend. It's delicious, I promise. I promise it's tasty.
He's vegetarian, bro, by the way. Like,
Oh, he's a vegetarian. Okay, you eat it then. You ain't no vegetarian. Come on, Chef Hamza, eat it.
what's this? Head? Prawn head?
Yeah, it's fish
I
head.
love prawn head butter. No, chef, bro.
Just eat it. Yeah, it's good.
I never ever had a prawn head with eye and everything in it. It's good.
There we go.
Nahi? Yes, perfect. Trust me, you'll like it, I promise. You'll like it.